If Microsoft Edge is showing an unknown error, freezing, not opening properly, or just acting weird, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now to get Edge working again. This method is quick, free, and works for many common browser issues, including corrupted files, bad cache, cookies, or problematic extensions. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, we're going to repair Microsoft Edge from Windows settings. Start by opening Settings on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing Windows and I on your keyboard. Once Settings opens, click on Apps, then choose Installed Apps. This will show you a full list of the programs installed on your PC. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft Edge. When you see it, click the three dots next to it and select Modify. A small prompt may appear, asking for permission or showing repair options. At this point, choose Repair. This tells Windows to fix any damaged or missing Edge files without removing your browser data. It is one of the easiest ways to resolve unknown errors and restore normal performance. After the repair process finishes, open Edge again and see if the problem is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. These files can become corrupted over time and cause browser issues, login problems, or loading errors. To do that, open Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. In this window, make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You can also choose the time range you want to clear. For the best results, select All Time if you want to remove everything that may be causing the issue. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Now. After that, close Edge completely and reopen it to test whether the unknown error is fixed. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is your extensions. Sometimes one bad extension can cause Microsoft Edge to crash, freeze, or show unexpected errors. To review them, go to the Extensions page in Edge. You can do this by typing edge://extensions in the address bar and pressing Enter. Once the Extensions page opens, toggle off all extensions one by one, or disable them all at once. After turning them off, restart Microsoft Edge and check whether the issue is gone. If Edge works normally now, that means one of your extensions was the cause. You can then turn them back on one at a time to find the exact one creating the problem. This is a very important troubleshooting step because browser extensions often cause errors without you realizing it. So to recap, the main fixes are repairing Microsoft Edge from Windows settings, clearing your cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, Delete, and disabling extensions from the Extensions page. In many cases, one of these three steps will solve the unknown error and get Edge running smoothly again. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.